Welcome to this channel. In this video, we're going to be learning easy Amharic phrases. And the first one is salam. Salam. Salam is kind of like saying hi or hello. Salam. Salam. The next one is endemin ne. Endemin ne. How are you? Endemin ne. Endemin ne. This is when you're saying it to a male. Endemin ne. Endemin ne. Endemin means how. Ne means are you? Male. Endemin ne. Endemin ne. Endemin ne. The next one is endemin nesh. Endemin nesh. This is when you're saying it to a female. Endemin nesh. Endemin nesh. Endemin means how. Nesh means are you? Female. Nesh. Endemin nesh. Endemin nesh. There is also another phrase to say how are you, and that is ndate na. Ndate na. Ndate na. Ndate means how. Ne means are you? Male. Endatna. 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 Endatnish. Endatnish. Endatnish means how are you? And that would be when you're saying it to a female. Endatnish. 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 Endate means how. Nesh means are you? Female. Nesh. Dehna nahi. I'm good. Dehna nahi. I'm good. Dehna means good or fine. Nahi means I am. Dehna nahi. Dehna nahi. And then the next one is Hullum nagar dehna no. Hullum nagar dehna no. Everything is fine. Hullum nagar. Hullum nagar means everything. Dehna means fine or good. No means is. Hullum nagar dehna no. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. And then the next one is Kayatna. Where are you from? And this would be when you're saying it to a male. Kayatna. Kayatna. Kayat means from where. Ne means are you? Masculine form. Ne. Ne. Kayat. Ne. Kayatna. Where are you from? Kayatna. And when you're saying it to a female, it would be Kayat Nish. Kayat Nish. Kayat Nish. Kayat means from where. Nish means are you? Feminine form. Nish. Kayat Nish. Kayat Nish. So Kayat Nish would be where are you from? In the feminine form. Kayat Nish. Sira ምንድን ነው? ስራ ምንድን ነው? ስራ ምንድን ነው? What is your occupation? This is when you're saying it to a male. Sera means your work. Sera means your work. Masculine form. This letter H indicates that you're talking to a male. H. H. This suffix H indicates you're talking to a male. H. Sera, your work. And the word sera means work. Sera minden no. Minden no means what is it? Minden no means what is it? Sera means your work. Sera minden no. What's your occupation? And when you're saying it to a female, it would be Serash minden no. Serash minden no. Serash minden no. This letter sh indicates you're talking to a female. Sh. Serash. Serash. Sera means work. And this letter sh indicates that you're talking to a female. Your work. Your work. Serash. Your work. Minden no. What is it? Serash minden no. And if you want to say, I'm a teacher, you can say, Astamari neng. Astamari neng. Astamari neng. Astamari neng. Astamari means teacher. Neng means I am. Neng. I am. Astamari neng. If you want to say, I'm a waiter or waitress, you can say, Astanagaj neng. Astanagaj neng. The word Astanagaj means waiter or waitress. Neng means I am. And then the next one is Yetaxi shufer neng. Yetaxi shufer neng. I'm a taxi driver. Shufer means driver. Neng means I am. Yetaxi means F taxi. This letter ye means F. And then taxi is taxi. Shufer is driver. Neng is I am. I'm a taxi driver. If you want to say I don't work, I don't work, Al Saram. Al Saram. You can say Al Saram. Al Saram means I don't work. If you want to say I didn't understand, you can say Al Gabbanyam. Al Gabbanyam. Al Gabbanyam. I didn't understand. Al Gabbanyam. The next one is I don't know. Alaukam. Alaukam. Alaukam means I don't know. Alaukam. Alaukam. If you want to say I don't understand, you can say Aigawanyam. 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 The next one is Minden no የምትፈልገው. What do you want? and that is when you're saying it to a male. ምንድን ነው የምትፈልገው? ምንድን ነው የምትፈልገው? ምንድን ነው የምትፈልገው? ምንድን ነው የምትፈልገው? ምንድን means what. No means is. ምንድን ነው what is it? ምንድን ነው what is it? የምትፈልገው that you want. Masculine form. This would be when you're saying it to a male. የምትፈልገው that you want. ምንድን ነው የምትፈልገው? ምንድን ነው የምትፈልገው? And when you're saying it to a female, it would be ምንድን ነው የምትፈልጊው? ምንድን ነው የምትፈልጊው? ምንድን ነው የምትፈልጊው? ምንድን ነው what is it? የምትፈልጊው that you want. Feminine form. የምትፈልጊው. If you want to say, do you want something to a male, you can say የሆነ ነገር ትፈልጋለህ? የሆነ ነገር ትፈልጋለህ? የሆነ ነገር ትፈልጋለህ? የሆነ ነገር something ትፈልጋለህ? ትፈልጋለህ? Do you want? Masculine form. ትፈልጋለህ? And when you're saying it to a female, you can say የሆነ ነገር ትፈልጊያለሽ? የሆነ ነገር ትፈልጊያለሽ? የሆነ ነገር ትፈልጊያለሽ? የሆነ ነገር means something. የሆነ ነገር something. ትፈልጊያለሽ? Do you want? Feminine form. ትፈልጊያለሽ? የሆነ ነገር ትፈልጊያለሽ? And if you want to say I don't want anything, you can say ምንም ነገር አልፈልግም. ምንም ነገር አልፈልግም. አልፈልግም means I don't want. አልፈልግም means I don't want. ምንም ነገር means nothing. ምንም ነገር nothing. If you want to say thank you, you can say አመሰግናለሁ. 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 And if you want to say where are you going? Where are you going to a male? You can say የት እየሄድክ ነው? የት እየሄድክ ነው? የት እየሄድክ ነው? የት እየሄድክ ነው? የት means where. እየሄድክ ነው. Are you going? የት እየሄድክ ነው? የት እየሄድክ ነው? And if you want to say where are you going to a female, you can say የት እየሄድሽ ነው? የት እየሄድሽ ነው? የት እየሄድሽ ነው? የት means where. እየሄድሽ ነው means are you going? In the feminine form. እየሄድሽ ነው. Are you going? የት እየሄድሽ ነው? የት እየሄድሽ ነው? If you want to say ወደ ስራ እየሄድኩ ነው, If you want to say I'm going to work, you can say ወደ ስራ እየሄድኩ ነው። ወደ ስራ እየሄድኩ ነው። ወደ ስራ እየሄድኩ ነው። ወደ ስራ እየሄድኩ ነው። I'm going to work. ወደ means to. ስራ means work. እየሄድኩ ነው። እየሄድኩ ነው means I'm going. ወደ ስራ እየሄድኩ ነው. If you want to say I'm going to school, you can say ወደ ትምህርት ቤት እየሄድኩ ነው። ወደ ትምህርት ቤት እየሄድኩ ነው. So ወደ means to. ትምህርት ቤት means school. እየሄድኩ ነው. I'm going. ወደ ትምህርት ቤት እየሄድኩ ነው. If you want to say when will you be back? መቼ ትመለሳለህ? መቼ ትመለሳለህ? This is when you're saying it to a male. መቼ ትመለሳለህ? When will you be back? መቼ ትመለሳለህ? መቼ means when. ትመለሳለህ will you be back? Masculine form. ትመለሳለህ ትመለሳለህ will you be back? And when you're saying it to a female, it would be መቼ ትመለሻለሽ? When will you be back? This is when you're saying it to a female. መቼ ትመለሻለሽ? መቼ means when. ትመለሻለሽ means will you be back? In the feminine form. Will you be back? If you want to say I'll be back in an hour, you can say በአንድ ሰዓት ውስጥ እመለሳለሁ። በአንድ ሰዓት ውስጥ እመለሳለሁ. I'll be back in an hour. So በአንድ ሰዓት ውስጥ means in an hour. በአንድ ሰዓት ውስጥ. አንድ ሰዓት means 1 hour. ውስጥ means in. This word ውስጥ means in. እመለሳለሁ. I'll be back. በአንድ ሰዓት ውስጥ እመለሳለሁ. I'll be back in an hour. በአንድ ሰዓት is 1 hour. ውስጥ is in. እመለሳለሁ is I'll be back. If you want to say, are you going to be late to a male? ልታረፍድ ነው? ልታረፍድ ነው? ልታረፍድ ነው? ልታረፍድ ነው? If you want to say, are you going to be late to a female? You would say ልታረፍጂ ነው? ልታረፍጂ ነው? ልታረፍጂ ነው? If you want to say yes, a little bit, you can say አዎ ትንሽ. Yes means አዎ. A little bit means ትንሽ. አዎ ትንሽ. If you want to say I'm not going to be late, you can say አላረፍድም. 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 If you want to say where are you right now to a male, where are you? አሁን የት ነህ? አሁን የት ነህ? Where are you right now? አሁን means right now. Yet means where. Neh means are you. Are you. Masculine form. Neh. አሁን የት ነህ? አሁን የት ነህ? አሁን የት ነህ? And if you want to say, where are you right now to a female, you'd say, አሁን የት ነሽ? አሁን የት ነሽ? አሁን means right now. Yet means where. Nesh means are you? Feminine form. Nesh. And if you want to say I'm with my friends, you can say ከጓደኞቼ ጋር ነኝ. ከጓደኞቼ ጋር ነኝ. ከጓደኞቼ ጋር ነኝ. I'm with my friends. ከጓደኞቼ ጋር ነኝ. With my friends. ነኝ, I am. ልጆች አሉ? ልጆች አሉ? Do you have children? This is when you're saying it to a male. ልጆች አሉ? ልጆች አሉ? ልጆች means children. አሉ? Do you have? ልጆች አሉ? And if you want to say, do you have children? To a female, you can say, ልጆች አሉሽ? ልጆች አሉሽ? Do you have children? ልጆች አሉሽ? ልጆች means children. አሉሽ means do you have in the feminine form. አሉሽ. And I have 2 children. I have 2 children. ሁለት ልጆች አሉኝ. ሁለት ልጆች አሉኝ. ሁለት ልጆች አሉኝ. ሁለት means 2. ልጆች means children. አሉኝ means I have. ሁለት ልጆች አሉኝ. And if you want to say, where do you live? To a male, you can say, የት ነው የምትኖረው? የት ነው የምትኖረው? የት ነው የምትኖረው? የት ነው የምትኖረው? The direct translation of this phrase would be, where is it that you live? የት ነው means where is it? የምትኖረው that you live. Masculine form. የምትኖረው that you live. If you want to say it to a female, you can say የት ነው የምትኖሪው? የት ነው የምትኖሪው? Where do you live? But the direct translation of this phrase would be, where is it that you live? የት ነው? የት ነው? Where is it? የምትኖሪው that you live. Feminine form. የት ነው የምትኖሪው? And if you want to say, I live in Ethiopia, you can say የምኖረው ኢትዮጵያ ነው. የምኖረው ኢትዮጵያ ነው. የምኖረው ኢትዮጵያ ነው. I live in Ethiopia. And the direct translation of this phrase would be, where I live is in Ethiopia. የምኖረው, where I live, ኢትዮጵያ ነው, is in Ethiopia. And if you want to say, I live near the airport, you can say የምኖረው የአየር ማረፊያው አካባቢ ነው። የምኖረው የአየር ማረፊያው አካባቢ ነው። የምኖረው የአየር ማረፊያው አካባቢ ነው። የምኖረው where I live የአየር ማረፊያው the airport የአየር ማረፊያው the airport አካባቢ near no is where I live is near the airport የምኖረው የአየር ማረፊያው አካባቢ ነው። I live near the airport. If you want to say, can I help you to a male? Can I help you? ልረዳህ እችላለሁ። ልረዳህ እችላለሁ። ልረዳህ እችላለሁ። እችላለሁ means can I. ልረዳህ means to help you. Masculine form. ልረዳህ to help you. እችላለሁ can I. If you want to say, can I help you to a female? You can say, can I ልረዳሽ እችላለሁ። ልረዳሽ እችላለሁ። ልረዳሽ እችላለሁ። ልረዳሽ እችላለሁ. ልረዳሽ means to help you. Feminine form. And እችላለሁ means can I. ልረዳሽ እችላለሁ. And if you want to say, I don't need any help, you can say, ምንም እርዳታ አያስፈልገኝም። ምንም እርዳታ አያስፈልገኝም. I don't need any help. I don't need any help. I don't need any help. ምንም እርዳታ አያስፈልገኝም። ምንም እርዳታ አያስፈልገኝም. እርዳታ means help. አያስፈልገኝም አያስፈልገኝም means I don't need. ምንም means nothing. ምንም means nothing. እርዳታ means help. አያስፈልገኝም means I don't need. ምንም እርዳታ አያስፈልገኝም. The phrase አልችልም አልችልም means I can't. I can't. አልችልም አልችልም. If you want to say, I can't do this, ይሄንን ማድረግ አልችልም. ይሄንን ማድረግ አልችልም. I can't do this. So, ይሄንን means this or this one. ይሄንን this or this one. ማድረግ means to do. ማድረግ means to do. አልችልም means I can't. ይሄንን ማድረግ አልችልም. I can't do this. I can't do this. ይሄንን ማድረግ አልችልም. እባክህ እባክህ. እባክህ means please. So this is when you're saying it to a male. And then if you're saying it to a female, it would be እባክሽ. 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 And If you want to say who's with you, you can say ከአንተ ጋር ማን ነው? ከአንተ ጋር ማን ነው? ከአንተ ጋር ማን ነው? ከአንተ ጋር ማን ነው? This is when you're saying it to a male. ከአንተ ጋር ማን ነው? ከአንተ ጋር means with you. ማን ነው means who is it? Who is or who is it? ከአንተ ጋር ማን ነው? Who is with you? ከአንተ ጋር ማን ነው? ከአንተ ጋር means with you. ማን ነው means who is it or who is. If you want to say who is with you to a female, you can say ከአንቺ ጋር ማን ነው? ከአንቺ ጋር ማን ነው? ከአንቺ ጋር ማን ነው? ከአንቺ ጋር means with you, feminine form. ከአንቺ ጋር means with you. ማን ነው means who is or who is it. If you want to say I forgot it, you can say ረሳሁት. 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 I forgot it. ረሳሁት. And if you want to say I forgot, you can say ረሳሁ. 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 If you want to say come with me, you can say ከእኔ ጋር ና. 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 ከእኔ ጋር. A lot of times this letter h is silent, so people say ከእኔ ጋር. ከእኔ ጋር. ከእኔ ጋር means with me. Na means come. Masculine form. It would be when you're saying it to a male. Na. ከእኔ ጋር ና. The next phrase is ከእኔ ጋር ነኝ. ከእኔ ጋር ነኝ. ከእኔ ጋር ነኝ. This is when you're saying it to a female. Come with me. ከእኔ ጋር ነኝ. ከእኔ ጋር ነኝ. So ከእኔ ጋር means with me. ነይ means come. Feminine form. So it would be when you're saying it to a female. ከእኔ ጋር ነይ. Masculine form is ከእኔ ጋር ና. And then when you're saying it to a female, it would be ከእኔ ጋር ነይ. If you want to say you need to ask for permission, you can say ፈቃድ መጠየቅ አለብህ. ፈቃድ መጠየቅ አለብህ. ፈቃድ መጠየቅ አለብህ. ፈቃድ መጠየቅ አለብህ. ፈቃድ means permission. መጠየቅ means to ask for. መጠየቅ to ask for. አለብህ means you need to. Masculine form. ፈቃድ መጠየቅ አለብህ. ፈቃድ መጠየቅ አለብህ. And when you're saying it to a female would be ፈቃድ መጠየቅ አለብሽ ፈቃድ መጠየቅ አለብሽ ፈቃድ መጠየቅ አለብሽ ፈቃድ means permission መጠየቅ means to ask for አለብሽ means you need to feminine form you need to አለብሽ if you want to say this is good news you can say ይሄ ጥሩ ዜና ነው ይሄ ጥሩ ዜና ነው ይሄ ጥሩ ዜና ነው ይሄ means this or this one ጥሩ means good ዜና means news no means is ይሄ ጥሩ ዜና ነው ይሄ ጥሩ ዜና ነው ይሄ ጥሩ ዜና ነው ያንን ብያለሁ I've said that ያንን ብያለሁ I've said that ያንን means that or that one ብያለሁ ብያለሁ I've said ያንተ አስተያየት ምንድን ነው What's your opinion so this is when you're saying it to a male ያንተ አስተያየት ምንድን ነው ያንተ አስተያየት ምንድን ነው ያንተ አስተያየት ምንድን ነው ያንተ your masculine form your አስተያየት opinion ምንድን what no is what is your opinion ያንተ አስተያየት ምንድን ነው and if you're saying it to a female it would be ያንቺ አስተያየት ምንድን ነው የአንቺ አስተያየት ምንድን ነው የአንቺ is your feminine form your አስተያየት is opinion ምንድን ነው what is ምንድን ነው ምንድን is what no is የአንቺ አስተያየት ምንድን ነው የአንቺ አስተያየት ምንድን ነው what is your opinion if you want to say I'm waiting for you here I'm waiting for you here to a male you can say እዚህ እየጠበኩህ ነው እዚህ እየጠበኩህ ነው I'm waiting for you here እዚህ means here እየጠበኩህ ነው I'm waiting for you when you're saying it to a male and then when you're saying it to a female you'd say እዚህ እየጠበኩሽ ነው እዚህ እየጠበኩሽ ነው እዚህ እየጠበኩሽ ነው I'm waiting for you here እዚህ means here እየጠበኩሽ ነው is I'm waiting for you ላዋራህ እፈልጋለሁ I want to talk to you So this is when you're saying it to a male. ላዋራህ እፈልጋለሁ ላዋራህ እፈልጋለሁ ላዋራህ እፈልጋለሁ I want to talk to you ላዋራህ እፈልጋለሁ and ላዋራህ means to talk to you እፈልጋለሁ means I want እፈልጋለሁ I want ላዋራህ to talk to you እፈልጋለሁ I want. If you want to say I want to talk to you to a female, you can say ላዋራሽ እፈልጋለሁ ላዋራሽ እፈልጋለሁ I want to talk to you. ላዋራሽ means to talk to you, feminine form. So that's when you're saying it to a female. እፈልጋለሁ I want. ላዋራሽ እፈልጋለሁ. If you want to say I'm worried about you to a male, you can say ስለ አንተ ተጨንቄያለሁ ስለ አንተ ተጨንቄያለሁ ስለ አንተ ተጨንቄያለሁ ስለ means about ስለ means about አንተ means you, masculine form you. So ስለ አንተ means about you. ተጨንቄያለሁ 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 means I'm worried. ተጨንቄያለሁ. If you want to say I'm worried about you to a female, you can say ስለ አንቺ ተጨንቄያለሁ ስለ አንቺ ተጨንቄያለሁ ስለ አንቺ ተጨንቄያለሁ I'm worried about you. So like I said, ስለ means about, አንቺ means you, feminine form. So ስለ አንቺ means about you. ተጨንቄያለሁ means I'm worried. I'm worried. ስለ አንቺ ተጨንቄያለሁ. If you want to say what do you think to a male, you can say ምን ታስባለህ ምን ታስባለህ ምን ታስባለህ what do you think? So ምን means what, ታስባለህ means do you think, and the masculine form. So that would be when you're saying it to a male. ታስባለህ ምን ታስባለህ ምን ታስባለህ. So when you're saying it to a female, ምን ታስቢያለሽ ምን ታስቢያለሽ ምን ታስቢያለሽ. ምን means what, ታስቢያለሽ means do you think, and the feminine form ታስቢያለሽ do you think ምን ታስቢያለሽ. And if you want to say it to two or more people, you can say ምን ታስባላችሁ what do you guys think. ምን ታስባላችሁ what do you guys think. ምን means what, ታስባላችሁ ታስባላችሁ ምን ታስባላችሁ ምን ታስባላችሁ. What do you guys think? ምን means what, ታስባላችሁ means do you guys think. ምን ታስባላችሁ. If you want to say if you want to say nothing will happen, you can say ምንም አይከሰትም ምንም አይከሰትም። ምንም አይከሰትም። ምንም አይከሰትም። ምንም means nothing. አይከሰትም። ምንም አይከሰትም. Nothing will happen. አይከሰትም means it won't happen. ምንም አይከሰትም. ምንም አይከሰትም. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching.